In today's time, everyone wants to get the best, whatever it may be. And especially when it comes to healthcare, nobody would want to compromise on the quality of treatment. So everyone wants the best hospital, everyone wants the best doctor, and we really understand that you cannot compromise for your friend, for your family member, for your loved ones. You cannot compromise on health, especially when they are in suffering, when they are in pain. Then you want them to get the best. So what happens? How do you reach? How do you access that best which you are planning for? The most important thing is you should connect with the people who have the expertise in that area. For the people who have known the healthcare system of India, India is a huge country. People think that when they think of India, they only think of cities like Delhi and Mumbai. However, India is much more than that. There are so many good hospitals in Bangalore, so many good hospitals in Kerala, so many good hospitals in other parts of India. So India is a huge country and with so many good hospitals around. And it's very difficult to define the best. When I get connected with a patient, everybody wants to get the best. So I also get confused that if that is for me, I'm choosing for myself, I will also get confused that what really is the best for me. Because you see, you have so many good hospitals in Delhi, you have good hospitals in Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Pune. There are such places where you cannot see that there's even 0.1% of compromise on the quality that is given in terms of treatment. So, which is best and which is second best, it's very difficult to define when you're dealing with the leading centers, leading doctors in India. And I always suggest to my patients that you should look at the experience. Three most important things when you're planning to come to India is that you look at the experience the doctor has in that particular area which you are coming for. You should look at the hospital, the machinery that the hospital uses. The hospital should be using the most advanced technology. And the third thing is cost effectiveness, affordability, because that also matters the most. So if you get an option, let's say for a spine surgery, if you get a treatment quotation from one single hospital in any part of India at $10,000, and you get the same thing from a different hospital, let's say in 20% less the cost, and the second option which you are getting in lesser cost, the doctor is also equally competent and equally experienced. So why will you run behind a place which is charging you more and not choose the place which is affordable for you? So I'll leave this up to you to decide, because for patients sometimes it's very very confusing state. People get so many advices from so many places. People talk with friends, family members, and one more thing that I encounter on day-to-day basis, that one of my family members said that this is the best center for this because they traveled for treatment of some other illness. So please try to understand that a hospital which is very very good in, let's say, cardiac and orthopedics may not be that good in neuro and urology. So the treatment, the doctors, there are different parameters that we choose a hospital for you. So whatever we will choose for you will be the best in terms of the experience that we have dealing with the hospitals, with the doctors, and we will choose you the option which is fulfilling your requirements. So we do not see what others are saying about a particular center, because we have dealt with these places for years and years. So it's very important for you to connect with people who are aware, who have that ground knowledge of what is happening in Indian healthcare system. And it's a request to everyone out there who are watching this video that there's nothing best. See, because you're not selecting a pair of shoe for you, and healthcare is a very sensitive issue. You have to work out, you have to think deeply about the options that you're choosing. You do your own research always when you're choosing a place. Do not go blind for anybody who's advising you. You always do your own research and choose your own places of treatment in India. And please, whatever fulfills your requirement, that is most important for you. You should not go in by the advice of people who have very little knowledge of healthcare, very little knowledge of medical and healthcare infrastructure in India. So please get in touch with the expertise, because they are the people who have been in the field for a long period of time, and people who know their area, they will always advise you the best possible solution, the best as per your requirements, the best not as per the opinions of the others. I hope this video helps you in choosing the most suitable place for you and for your friends, family members when they are planning to come to India. And you can always connect with us via different means for any assistance that you require. For all foreign patients, for all people from across the world watching this video, they can get in touch with us. We will be able to assist them and help them. Not only patients, for people who want anything, any information that they want from our side, we will be glad to assist. Thank you.